What is up, guys? My new pit bike. Yeah, I bought another bike. I got a good deal on this one though. I got it for 500 bucks. It's a KLX 110 bored out to a 165, and it's got some upgrades on it, FMF pipe on it. It's not like in the best condition, but the engine runs perfectly fine, and we just put new oil in it. So I mean, for 500 bucks you can't really go wrong there, and it runs perfectly. So, but yeah, I mean, the reason I bought this thing is just because it was a good deal and I knew I could buy it, fix whatever problems it had, and sell it and make money off of it. So let's get her started up. The FMF gives it a good throaty sound for a little bike like this. There's no clutch, so that took me a second to get used to. They've got a pit bike track here at Murphy's, but it's kind of boring, so I'm going to take it on a real track. Oh my god, the forks are hard. That's topped out. Oh, suspension hurts a lot. Okay, no more doubles on this thing. That's a double. There's like no brakes on this thing. I'm mostly just using the engine braking to slow down. And I can feel this thing bottoming out over braking bumps. Ah! Thanks, spark plug keeps popping off. Spark plug. Oh, this thing's in here. Okay. Still in here. stretched out to wheelie this thing because there's like I can't touch the rear brake, and even if I could touch the rear brake, there's no rear brake. For a $500 bike, it does good. It's bottoming out over freaking everything though. Oh, rut. Oh. This thing doesn't like ruts. Topped out. Oh my. That is extremely painful. Not going fast over that. Made that mistake the first time. You really can't go fast on this thing at all. See how it comes up in second. Ah, too sandy. If I loop it, I loop it, because there's literally no chance of me even trying to cover the back brake on this thing. Alright, see if I can pull a wheelie with this. Oh my. Well, I think I'll get off the track and ride over there. This thing kind of sucks on the track, so it's just like all I kind of want to do is do wheelies right now, and I'm having to deal with all these doubles and braking bumps that I don't want to deal with. Here we got some nice grass stuff. Alright. That's bumpy though. Oh. Oh my God. And there goes the spark plug. Okay. This thing like sucks, but it's also pretty fun. So, yeah, thanks for watching.